SimplyBudget AI has just been released, and it's one of the most promising tools I've seen in the AI software space. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about SimplyBudget AI before you start using it. Stick with me until the end because I'll also reveal how you can try it completely free from the first link below. First off, SimplyBudget AI is designed to make personal finance management easier, faster, and smarter. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to analyze your spending patterns, offer actionable insights, and even suggest ways to save money. If you're tired of manually tracking your expenses, this tool is definitely a game changer. And the best part, it's incredibly intuitive. You don't need a financial background to make the most of it. Now, one of the standout features of SimplyBudget AI is its real-time budgeting system. Unlike traditional budgeting apps, where you input your expenses manually, SimplyBudget AI learns from your spending and updates your budget in real time. This means you're always on top of where your money is going, without the hassle of constant tracking. It's the kind of automation that's perfect for today's fast-paced world. Another feature that impressed me is its AI-powered insights. SimplyBudget AI doesn't just track your expenses, it actively looks for patterns and gives you suggestions. For example, if it sees you're overspending on certain categories, like dining out or subscriptions, it will notify you and offer advice on how to cut back. It's like having a personal finance coach in your pocket, but without the high fees. If you're someone who loves data, you're going to appreciate SimplyBudget AI's detailed reports. You can see exactly where your money is going, how much you're saving, and how you're progressing toward your financial goals. These reports aren't just generic charts. They're tailored specifically to your spending habits, giving you a clear picture of your financial situation. And if you want more in-depth analysis, the AI goes even further, breaking down trends over time so you can make more informed decisions. One of the things that sets SimplyBudget AI apart is its seamless integration with your bank accounts and credit cards. No more manually entering transactions or worrying about syncing errors. The software does all of that for you, automatically pulling in your transactions and categorizing them correctly. This makes tracking your finances almost effortless. What I really love about SimplyBudget AI is how user-friendly it is. Many AI-driven tools are complex, but this one is simple to navigate. You don't need a tech background to understand it. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or someone just trying to get a grip on your finances, SimplyBudget AI makes it easy to manage your money without feeling overwhelmed. Now, I know a lot of people are concerned about security, especially with AI tools. SimplyBudget AI takes this seriously, using top-notch encryption and security protocols to protect your financial data, so you can rest assured that your information is safe while using the app. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that you can try SimplyBudget AI for completely free right now using the first link in the description below. You've got nothing to lose and a lot to gain, especially if you're looking to take control of your finances. To sum it up, SimplyBudget AI is one of the best AI software tools I've seen released in recent months. It's intuitive, secure, and loaded with features that make budgeting easier than ever. If you're someone looking to manage your finances smarter, this tool is definitely worth checking out. And if you want more recommendations, I've tried thousands of AI software, and I've listed my favorites in the description below. Don't forget to check them out and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.